Battery World is celebrating its 25th year, and each week we will feature one of my favourite accessories. This week we are highlighting the Century 100AH Lithium Deep Cycle. Features including advanced BMS with sleep function to ensure no unnecessary discharging, dust tight and water resistant, ABS plus polycarbonate plus flame retardant casing, copper bar connectors with laser welded connections, meaning no wires, Bluetooth connectivity with a live data feature, rigorous testing done by Century Yuasa batteries. Battery World are the one-stop shop for all your car, 4x4, caravanning, camping, motorbike and boating batteries with a huge range of products and expert advice from your local battery expert. Battery World also offer roadside battery assist. For all things Battery World, log on to www.batteryworld.com.au.